Hi, my name is Marvin. I am a Philippine law student and with 3 years work experience working remotely for US law firms. I want to keep this short and valuable, so let me share exactly on how I can contribute to your team on day one. I am experienced in legal research, case management, and administrative support, and I've worked with tools similar to case software. I'm very detail oriented, organized, and accurate with data entry, especially when dealing with client files, deadlines, and even sensitive documents. One thing I am proud of is me being very coachable. I'll be very honest with you. I may not know everything on day one, but I learn fast. I adopt quickly to your workflow, and I always make sure that my work is clean, precise, and fully aligned to what the attorney needs for me. I take initiative and I ask the right clarification questions and make improvements without needed to be told twice. Please send me a message so we can work or start working immediately. And I'm hoping that I'll be given the chance to work with you, for I think we are a great fit. That's for me, and bye for now. Thank you.